Welcome to today's video where we'll be exploring the difference between machine learning and deep machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on algorithms and statistical models. Deep machine learning, on the other hand, is a more advanced form of machine learning that utilizes neural networks. Machine learning algorithms learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Deep machine learning, on the other hand, uses neural networks with multiple layers to extract complex features and patterns from data. Machine learning is often used in various applications such as recommendation systems, fraud detection, and image recognition. Deep machine learning has shown remarkable performance in tasks like natural language processing, speech recognition, and autonomous driving. In conclusion, while machine learning focuses on algorithms and statistical models, deep machine learning takes it a step further by utilizing neural networks to extract complex features and patterns.